Hi there, Carl here from rugspa.ie. We're an illustrious company today. I'm actually kneeling on a hand-loomed Donegal carpet, which is room-sized. We have it folded over just to do some vacuuming. It's a beautiful, beautiful piece that we've just finished doing some work on. It's actually taken about 25 hours to clean, believe it or not. So a hand-loomed, handmade Donegal carpet. I think it's about 50 years old. So a piece of Irish history. And on top of that, we have a Ceadogán rug, also an Irish manufacturer, but a manufacturer that uses quite a different manufacturing process in how they make rugs. So the rug that I'm sitting on is a hand woven, it's a loomed rug, and this rug is a needle punch latex back rug, and they make really, really stylish rugs, because with a needle punch system you can actually do really intricate and exquisite designs. So this is about 30% of the rug. I have it rolled up here. Predominantly the reason for the video is to talk about how you must approach the two rugs with a big difference in cleaning, and you need to be cognizant of what the requirements of each rug are. The needle punch, for example, I'm not sure what glue that they use in Ceadogán. I'm assuming a latex, but it is some form of glue on the back. They use a needle punch machine to essentially put the threads of the face boil through a grid on the back, and then they glue it to make it stable. The problem with cleaning a needle punch rug is that if I get detergents or high pHs onto the back of this rug, I will immediately start to deteriorate the rug. It might take 3 years for my efforts to manifest if I've gotten detergents or high pH into the back of the rug. But what it'll do is the high pH will strip the natural oils in the glue, and the glue will start to desiccate at an accelerated rate. These glues will deteriorate over time, but it could be 20 years before they start to brittle. Whereas if this is improperly washed or flood washed, or treated like a carpet as opposed to a rug for its clean, it will really badly affect the rug's longevity. Whereas the hand loom piece, I can use a detergent on it, but we always choose not to, because wool doesn't like detergent. So we always use pH neutral cleaning solutions, and the benefits are that we don't strip the natural oils out of the wool as we're cleaning. So the benefits for the Ceadogán rug are twofold. We don't strip the natural oil out of the wool as we're cleaning it, because we're using a pH neutral cleaning system, but also we're not degrading, causing accelerated degradation of the back of the rug, either the foundation of the rug. So we're very cognizant in Rug Spa about how your rug is made, and we tailor each clean to whatever type of rug you bring into us. Over on the racks here to Aaron's right, we've got various different hand-loomed rugs. We've a couple of viscose rugs, predominantly wool. We have a 200-year-old Kazakh rug on top of the pile. We see a lot through, and we know how to tailor a clean to each rug that we see. We were doing repairs here on the foundations of a Chinese superwash rug this morning, where we had to glue in some moth damage, so we're well versed. That's pretty much it. How to clean a Ceadogán rug, how to clean a Donegal carpet, and how to do it properly. This rug took 25 hours to clean. This rug took about 8. Believe it or not, it's a runner for a hallway. So that's the video. Thank you for watching.